Hi guys, and today I will be showing you how to make slime the easiest way ever. So let's get on to the video. So the ingredients you will need is some flour, something to mix with, something to mix in, and some dish soap. I've got some fairy liquid, you can use any really. Oh, and you might need some oil later on, but I'm not sure because this is sort of an experiment, but I hope it'll work. Fingers crossed this is going to work. I think it is, yeah. So yes, so first, so what you need about to measure about 2 tablespoons of flour to put in my mixing bit. And I'm just gonna, I don't know what, and then I'm just gonna like mix it. A bit so it will let no big lumps. Make sure you've got no lumps. And then what you want to do, just get around here. What you want to do is get your fairy liquid or like your dish soap. Open it, and you want to put a little in. You can add more, so this looks like about that much in for start, and then you can add more later on. And then just give it a little mix, and then I'll show you what that looks like when I've made that a mix in a minute. So now I've mixed that, and it should look like that, a little bit like a little crumb. And I'm just going to add a bit more. So this time I'm going to add a little bit more. So now I'll add about like that much more thing. And I'll be back when I mix that. I'll just mix that, it looks like that, and I'm just going to add a little bit more. She started turning slimy, you should add a little bit more. And this is like the bit where it all comes together. So I'll be back when the slime is made. So this is my finished product. And like what I've done, I will straw the stuff up, and I'll get in. I added a bit more flour because if it's wet, add a bit more flour, and if it's too dry, add a bit more fairy liquid. So see, it's not sticky or anything. It's slimy. Woohoo! So that is one of the easiest ever ways to make slime, obviously, and it's bouncy as well. We like that, they look bouncy, and it's like when I make other slimes like with shampoo, it doesn't really work. It's like a bit watery. Flours, cornstarch, and stuff like that. This is more like a hard slime, more like a shiny, like runny slime. It's slime, but it's like better because it doesn't like. See, my fingers are clean. There's a little bit of it, it's like crummy. See. So that's probably one of the easiest ever ways to make slime. Just flour and very liquid. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Hope you subscribe and like this video. Love you.